So there has been a guy that has posted the difference between the switches, and let me tell you this straight. Like, linear has a big like a feel, and it's more creamy, while tactile it has a more bump behind it, and clicky sounds. You can hear the sound, and you can feel the click really well. And let me try you with the switches. So this is the Queen tactile. You can hear the click. Same with the Jupiter Banana, but not so much with the ROG red switches. And if you take the melody switch, which is the clicky switch that I have here, you can feel a bit of the click before you press it all down, which is also, this one is also tactile, so you also feel a tactile bump. See you next time.